Okay guys, so this is the door sill to my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. It looks pretty good, but it's pretty plain. But today, I'm going to be replacing it with this. That's right, so these are the door sills from my sponsors over at DMP Car Design. The version that I got is carbon fiber with a Mercedes-Benz logo. And this actually lights up, which is really cool. And yes, these are custom. DMP also carries a version that says AMG. I can also put my name on it, or I can even put my logo on it. And if you want more information on these custom door seals, I'll leave information in the description below. But before I can put these on, I need to take the old one off first. To remove the door sill, I'm gonna first remove this trim piece, just pulling it right up. Next, I'm going to pull up on the weather stripping. And next, I'm going to lightly heat up the door sill just to soften the glue or double-sided tape on the other side. And then I'm going to proceed by prying up on the stock door sill. It should pop right off. Next, I'm going to grab some goof off and just clean up all of this extra double-sided tape that's stuck onto the car. And once that's fully clean, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol just to make sure it's squeaky clean. So I can install this right here, but I need a power source for the lighted logo. On a stock car that has the lighted logo already, there's a plug right here that this will plug right into, and then I can mount it here. But since my car doesn't have a stock plug, I'm going to have to take this, cut off the connector, extend the two wires, and tap into the bulb located in the foot area. So here is the new wiring. I sliced off the connector, and I had about 4 feet of red and black wire lying around that I connected to the existing wires. So this is ready to go and to tap to the footwell bulb. Now I'm going to mount the new door sill, but I'm going to use the old one as a template just to know exactly where I can mount it. I'm going to peel back the double-sided tape and firmly push it down into place. I'm going to tuck the wires under the weather stripping. And reinstall the weather stripping and the trim piece. Okay, next I'm going to remove the panel underneath the glove box. It's just a couple screws so I can access the footwell bulb. So here's the connector to the footwell bulb. I'm going to take the red wire and tap it into the white red wire. And I'm going to take the black wire and tap it to the brown wire. And here it is, fully tapped. I can plug the connector back to the bulb and everything should be good to go. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like during the day. And there it is. And it looks awesome. The carbon fiber is super slick. It looks really sharp. And the cool thing is it clears the door perfectly well too. Okay, so here's how it's going to look at night. And there you have it. Check that out. It's super bright and it's super clear. I mean, that looks really good. Let me just grab a light source. Okay, now you can really see it. You can see the carbon fiber. You can see the logo. Everything just looks super clean. I'm just going to have to repeat the same process for the driver's side. Well, there you have it. Another really cool mod from DMP Car Design. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. What better than to open your car door at night and remind yourself that you drive a Benz? Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.